I mean, what don't you understand? If somebody is cheating on you, you have two choices. Either you accept it or either you leave.
Raul Ringon walked into court charged with domestic assault, specifically impeding breath. He was ready to sign his papers and move on, but judge didn't like his attitude. When Raul tried to justify his violence by claiming his partner was cheating, the judge shut him down with a lesson he never expected. From the reveal of his 10 children to the final Orchid Lesson, this is how justice handles a man who refuses to walk away.
And are you Mr. Rincon?
Yes.
All right, we have an interpreter. Hello. Could you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm you will faithfully translate from English into Spanish and Spanish into English, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand if you'll state your name for the record.
Cesar Chavez, license number 2203.
All right. Mr. Rincon, all of the documents I'm going to review with you are in English. Will those documents explain to you in Spanish?
Yes.
And counsel, do you speak Spanish?
I do, Your Honor.
And do you speak it fluently?
I do, Your Honor.
Mr. Rincon, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Counsel, have you received all discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Rincon, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented? Mr. Rincon, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it, sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
You're charged with assault, family, household, impeding breath or circulation. That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
If the court grants your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication is revoked, the court can find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
In my opinion, he is competent to proceed, Your Honor.
Mr. Rincon, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No. No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No. No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry into the States. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, there's a $1,500 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. They will take in consideration 2025 CC 012646 and 2025 CC 012647. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes.
Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent?
Yes.
Did you understand that to be your plea bargain agreement?
Yes.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State,
Yes, that's true.
did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Say. Yes.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 4 years. There be 100 hours of community service restitution, the BIPP course, a TAP evaluation, follow TAP recommendations, and parenting class. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
No objection, Your Honor.
State, have you had a chance to speak with the complainant? All right, thank you. Mr. Rincon, did you review the waiver and consent to stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, do you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand by entering this plea, the state will be presenting evidence through the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you applied for deferred adjudication. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, my client just wishes to just go move on, and he accepted responsibility for his actions, and he just asked the court to follow the recommendation, and he knows he can do his probation.
All right, why did you do this?
I'm gonna do my probation the way it's supposed to.
No, my question is, why did you commit this offense? I mean, what don't you understand? If somebody is cheating on you, you have 2 choices. Either you accept it or either you leave. But for you to do what you did, and then you have a 6-year-old involved in this nonsense with you, why are you doing that?
No, nomás le quiero quitar el teléfono.
Well, I just wanted to take the phone away from her.
Yeah, and she didn't want to give it to you.
No.
No.
I don't know why people think you are not her father. You are supposed to be in an adult relationship. What I can tell you is that relationship is over. You're not to contact her or call her. There's no need for you to worry about her cheating on you because you're not to have any contact with her. And she can date whomever she want to date. But the one person she won't be dating is you. You understand?
Sí,
Yes.
Do you have any children?
sí, tengo,
Yes, I do.
How many?
tengo dos.
I have two.
I'm Mexico, no.
I have 2 children, but in Mexico, no, not here.
And have you had employment since you've been here?
Sí,
Yes.
All right, the court is going to sentence you to 6 years deferred adjudication. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with Karina Gomez or Mia Gomez. Proof of employment within 45 days, no employment as a home healthcare provider or with minors. There's to be no residing with minors. Well, no residing in a household with minors. There's a $1,500 fine that will be probated. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, take in consideration 2025 CC 012646 and 2025 CC 012647, 100 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once that's completed, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. The BIPP course, field visits 1 time per month until further notice. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else that you need to be successful?
No, problem. No, that's fine.
Did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Sí.
Yes,
Because it's plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Sí.
yes.
All right. We can go off the record. How old are you?
37.
37.
All right. Don't get into another relationship until you get an orchid. And that orchid, when you get it, it's going to have blooms on it. Wait till those blooms fall off. And if you can get that orchid to rebloom, then you may be ready for a relationship, because orchids require patience. All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Good seeing you.
Raul Ringon walked away with 6 years of supervision and a mandatory lesson in patience. The judge made it clear, if he can't keep a plant alive, he has no business being in a relationship. But with 10 children and a history of violence, is 6 years of probation enough to change a man like this? Or is the system being too soft? Let us know what you think in the comments.